भावांक येवकार दिता. खास करून आज आम्ही आमचे कालूस बाब एल्टन बाब आम्ही आमची CLP मिटींग आयच्या दिसाक घेतलेली आणि CLP मिटींगेक जायते इश्यू जे गोंयांत आज घडटा ज्या पद्दतीन ऑब्रस्ट जुमला पार्टीचो सरकार ज्या पद्दतीन आज गोंयकाराचे जे हाल करीत आसा, so Goa is getting worse by the day, and our Sarkar does not have the right, does not have any moral right today to be in power. अनेक जेन्ना आमी प्रश्न गोंयचे डिस्कस केले ऑन सेवरल फिल्ड्स, पयले सुवातेर आमकां दिसलें की जेन्ना असेंब्ली सेशन or the budget session is supposed to be called in the next few days, possibly in the month of March. Normally हे सेशन जुलै म्हयन्यान जातालें. सो आमी स्पिकरा लागीं बरयतले उलयतले की हे सेशन लांब जावपाक जाय, मिनिमम ऑफ एटलिस्ट 25 वर्किंग डेज. जे इश्यू आमकां घेवपाक जाय ते इश्यू लोकांले डिस्कस करपाक सारखे हेजेर म्हाका दिसता एक डिस्कशन जावपाक जाय. तर आवाज तुमचो सांगात आमचो हो under this banner we are going to move. It is an outreach program which the Congress MLAs, the Congress party, frontal organizations, all of us will, I'm making an appeal, and we decide that the issues that needs to be highlighted, issues that need to be taken in the assembly, these issues there is a mobile number 7498254726 and एक email address connect@goaclp@gmail.com. This budget session is possibly the last budget session, after which we might have possibly another session for a small gap, small number of days. Then we are all going to go for elections. Now our blocks, our frontal organizations, our MLAs, our party feels that we have to go to various districts, connect with people. So definitely, although the session is not being announced, we feel that we have to go connect with the people, and our effort is to reach to every Goan, every house, and through the medium of the press. म्हाका दिसता लोकालो आवाज हो असेंब्लींत पावपाक जाय. We will all unitedly work with the opposition members as well. So unitedly we will work together, share our views, share the views of the people, and unitedly take this particular strategy. So war programs of party, we will put it out where our MLAs, party representatives will also move around. And our appeal is to Goinkars, जे पर issue है that needs to be raised, because today if we look currently जे budget allocation झाला, there seems to be nothing special for the state of Goa. Although the Chief Minister had a bag full of almost 6,000 crores of demands in various sectors, tourism sector, in GAD, various sectors, but double engine Sarkar has failed Goa and Goans. आज जे issues of crimes, murders, rapes, dacoity हे सगळे वाढलेले आसा. Daily we can see the ST issue, चिंबेलकार जावं दुसरे वाड्यांनी वाठारांनी लोकांले इश्यू जाता, उदकाचे इश्यू आहा, रस्त्याचे इश्यू आहा, लायटीचे इश्यू आहा. So whatever mediums we get, we are going to make sure that these issues are highlighted. Unemployment, सगळे youth, युवा आज are बेकार. We are the highest unemployed state. These figures are alarming. या सरकाराक फक्त इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट करपाक जाय, फक्त इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट. टुडे वी आर हियरिंग दॅट सरकार तुमच्या दारी आनी एक इव्हेंट पोंडाच्या गावात हिंगा म्हाका दिसता लोक ताका कितें दाखोवन दिता कित्याक हे सरकार तुमच्या दारीच्या नांवान 12.5 कोटीचो इव्हेंट 12.5 कोटीचो दिसपेज लोकांले पयशे हे पयशे म्हाका दिसता जे पड पयलीं तांकां सांगलेलें सरकार तुमच्या दारी हे तेजें कितें फॉलोअप जालां कांयच ना आनी हे इलेक्शन स्ट्रॅटेजी जेन्ना आतां पोंडाच्या गांवांत इलेक्शन जाता फक्त पानां पुसपाचो प्रयत्न लोकांलो डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एनवायरमेंट द वे वी स्पोक ड्युरींग द गव्हर्नर्स एड्रेस फक्त हे मिनिस्टर प्रिपेर जायनासतना येता फक्त फोटाशे मारता मुखेलमंत्री फक्त म्हाका दिसता सगल्यो टॅबलेट्यो दिता लोकांक सारकें मार्गदर्शन जायना सारखे लोकांले इश्यू रिझॉल्व जायना हे ऑपोजिशनाचे आमदारा विरुद्ध जे आहे ते भायर रुलिंगाचे आज प्रश्न घालता सो वी विल ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट द स्पीकर दॅट द प्रायोरिटी नीड्स टू बी गिवन टू द ऑपोजिशन एक प्रथा आहली एक ऑपोजिशनाचे क्वेश्चन एक रुलिंगाचे क्वेश्चन दीज इश्यूज विल बी टेकन द वे टुडे गोवा इज बीइंग डिस्ट्रॉयड and a 10-point charter is being made enough is enough. We spoke about it, all three of us spoke in the assembly of Goa's carrying capacity needs to be defined of the way aaj conversion destruction hill cutting zata land conversion zata this is not in the interest of the state काहींची carrying capacity check करनासतना आज हो सरकार गोंय पाड घालपाचो प्रयत्न हो सरकार करता जो बीजेपीचो नॅशनल प्रेसिडेंट आयलो तेणे स्टेटमेंट केलो की काँग्रेसाच्या वेळार इतले करप्शन जालें फाटले आहले तांकां म्हाका दिसता शॉक बसलो कित्याक आज जवळ जवळ 10 आहले ते काँग्रेसाचे सिनियर लिडर आहले ते आज बीजेपीत आसा आज बिट्स पिलानीचेर जेन्ना लास्ट सेशन बाब कालुसान बिट्स पिलानीचेर मुखेलमंत्री को अश्युरन्स घेतलेले आनी सांगलेले जॉयंट क्वेश्चन आहले आमगेले अबाउट क्रायम्स एंड क्रिमिनल It is shocking to see that forensic reports of the past suicides are still not with the government. They have made no attempt to make sure. Then what is the reason? Swiggy che regular drugs again dollo mo sangrale. I charge that close to Bits Pilani there is a liquor joint. Tinga close within 100 meters. That is the place where drugs are being supplied. That is the place where this activity is happening. And हे हांवें मुखेलमंत्रीच्या दोळ्या मुखार हो इश्यू घेतलेलो and I said the supply is happening there from there and who this belongs to a leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So हे सगळे तितून शामील आहे police need to act immediately. We have no म्हाका दिसता trust in the police. आज why this type of murders, rape, dacoity, suicide never happens. Why is it happening? CAG जे point out केला जे violation time and over again आम्ही सदांच म्हणटा मुखेलमंत्री सांगता की अरे बाबा यू आर FRBM एक्टाचे जे in violation of FRBM act. This government is in a financial crisis. No issue on Madaiचे जे फक्त लीगल डिपार्टमेंट कोट्यांनी रुपयाचे दिसपेस करून टुडे this government is the same government that compromised Madai. This was said by the Home Minister Amit Shah. आज और सरकार म्हणटाय तो पोस्ट फॅक्टो सरकार लास्ट टाइम they denied us जे आम्ही कॅबिनेट मिटिंगेच्यो कॉपी मागलोल्यो there is nothing secret in it. यो पोस्ट फॅक्टो सरकार आणि ह्या सरकाराक म्हाका दिसता एक्सपोज करपाक युनाइटेडली टेकिंग दी ऑपोजिशन टुगेदर वी विल मेक शुअर दॅट वी एक्सपोज दिस गव्हर्नमेंट आज वी आर कॉन्फिडंट ऑल्सो दॅट द कमिंग इलेक्शन जावं कॉर्पोरेशनाचे इलेक्शन वी स्पोक द CLP स्पोक अबाउट द म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन्स about the coming Ponda by-election. So all these we have considered. It was a long meeting. We sat for almost more than an hour and a half. आणि आवाज तुमचो सांगात आमचो या बॅनरा खाली आम्ही आमची पार्टी and all the people of Goa, I feel, from whatever parts of Goa. We will make sure that we get issues and highlight this, because during question hour or LAQ galpa format asota, that we are time bound. So definitely we are starting this early, much before the session is being even announced. And whatever needs to be done, I think unitedly taking all the people in the confidence, we will make sure that we basically grill this government.
तुम्ही तालुका वाईज मीटिंग मी घेतलंय, कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वाईज घेतलंय?
No, so exactly. आम्ही पहिले गेले. Now this is an outreach program. There are frontal organizations, party, block presidents, MLAs, MPs, all of us unitedly. We will make sure that we have to expose whatever information we get, because during demands, this is the time we get to speak. So all of us will take roles together and make sure that we be the voice in the assembly.
You hope it will be a long session?
No, I knowing this government, I believe that they want the least under 306 suspension of rules, they suspend kori da. So minimum a 25 working days session aspak hai. Today you cannot curtail this session, and the speaker during BAC has also told us that it will be one of the longer sessions. I think the speaker was a part of a delegation in which they resolved that in a year minimum 30 days sessions avpak zero. It has never happened in the state of Goa. But all the speakers, when they met, I believe last month they met, they had a convention, and there they said that all across the country 30 minimum days session aspak zai. Ya sarkarak maka tori disna ye biheta. They are scared that we will expose their corruption, that we will expose all their wrongdoing. But definitely, as it is our right, and we have asked the speaker and we asked the chief minister and the government, because they decide the number of days, so that we want a longer session.
So आवाज तुमचा सांगा तर आमचं. So what you are demanding? You are calling out the people with the issue? Or
No, definitely people's issues we have. As I said, connect with goaclp@gmail.com. That is the email address. Also, there is a phone number 7498254726. Issues that need to be taken up could be given on that. At the same time, we will also travel in the state of Goa, explaining to the people and giving them dates and taking their issues to be highlighted.
Yuri, one more thing is that coming on to the other issue, time and again, the grand opposition alliance such a time and again. Any thoughts, like, though it is too early on CM phase, so what it is, okay,
see, grand opposition alliance, grand opposition alliance is something where all the MLAs in the opposition feel that it has to happen in the interest of the state. At least elected members feel the same. Today, see, I'm talking about the elected members. Every political party has their own agenda. Today, as MLAs in the Goa Legislative Assembly, cutting differences or our political differences, we have made sure that we've exposed this government. Together, it is grand opposition, MLAs exposing the government. The credit does not go to a single person. And AJ credit is because as Goenkar man zogatta. That is why this government is exposed. They will try to divide us, but we have made sure that what comes first is the interest of the state, and in that interest we have moved forward. दुसरे तू पडटे कितें CM बी पड कितें जाता म्हाका दिसता चोय CM कोण जातलो केन्ना जातलो कितें जातलें तें कोणाच्यान सांगो जायना. एक लोकां कडेन पावर आहा. इट इज द पीपल्स पावर. वेन आय से पीपल पावर, पयलीं मरे शिताफोणें मीठ आमी खावप ना. दुसरें, we have to get elected first, not selected. First get elected. After we get elected, our party has within ourselves we discuss who is going to be the leader. So थोड्यांक ते CM जावपाचे आनी कितें जावपाचें म्हाका दिसता सद्याक गोंय सांबाळपाक जाय. आनी गोंय जरी जर सारकें एकठांय नाय जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता मागीर गोंयाक सांबाळपाचें उरपाना. दॅट डिस्ट्रक्शन दॅट दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज करंटली डुईंग, CM मागीरचे, इट इज कोणागे हितून बरयलो पळया तें कोणाच्यान व्हरो जायना. एक दुसरें, you have to be connected with the people. The Congress party today is connected with the people. MLA जावपाक artificial intelligence नाका. grassroots connectivity aspak jaye. I am proud that my MLAs today, when we work, we were able to retain our seats in the Zilla Parishad. We went to the people. During Captain Viriato's election, we went on the ground. They were in charges of both the parliamentary seats. They did the hard work. We went, taking our party and our presidents and our block presidents and the Congress worker together. So definitely I thank our MLAs as well for the leadership skills that they showed. For us winning South, everybody said, ना रे यार तुमचे किती जातले 30,000 कोण म्हणले 30,000 पेढे जाते 40,000 पेढे जाते. But we showed and all of us that are here together feel that it is the CLP's view that we have to unitedly fight. We cannot divide ourselves. And this view was discussed also with the highest party, that is with when I was in Delhi, I discussed this views of mine with the highest leadership, with Kharge ji, with Rahul Gandhi ji, with KC Venugopal ji, our desk in charge, that Goa today, if we divide ourselves, we are going to lose. Let us look at Goa first and the issues. But this is the first requirement, is that we have to be united and definitely take everyone together. The Congress party is the principal opposition party. It is our role as possibly the parents within the opposition to make sure we take everyone. In the house we have taken. Now it is high time, and you will see ki आता जायत election जातले, पणजेचे corporation जातले, municipal election जातले. That is not on party line. But as I said, जे पडे sensible munis आज मुखार सरलेले आहे. Congress party together with all such individuals should go forward, make sure that the BJP is sent home.
No, but why then, when you talk about grand opposition alliance, then why your president is hesitating to comment on this? That is one thing. And second thing, when we talk about ZP, all three of you managed to get your ZPs elected. But yesterday the president said we all work together. What it is?
No. See, what happens is, first about the grand opposition alliance, ही एक नवी सुरुवात जावपाक जाय, गोंयांत जावपाक जाय. In the past it has not happened. It is a difficult task. Every political party will think what suits them best. But in Goa's interest, I feel that there has to be a compromise. Compromise in the sense, where are our strongholds, where are we weak, where can we win unitedly. These are things that that basically need to be seen together. I feel the Congress party as a whole, finally we are a democratic party. The president might have a view, I might have a view, our MLAs might have a view, but once a decision is made in the interest of the party, we have to stick to that interest. And that at this particular view, we are not like the BJP. No dictates are given to us. We have a right to rebel within the party platform. And we were all taken into, we discussed on certain candidates. Yes, there are things that went wrong, and that is the thing that we need to rectify. We could have won South Goa, but now these are things that I don't think I should put it in public domain. But we are confident that we should learn from our mistakes, and we will make sure that in 2027, Congress will give Goans a stable government.
So general.
तुम्ही म्हणले की युनायटेड झगडपाक जाय म्हणून. सो आतां आसतलें फोंडे इलेक्शन जंय पार्टी येवचे आसतले, थंय कशें कितें आसतलें? बिकॉज पळय हांवें फाटीं पळयलें की आम आदमीचे केजरीवाल येवन गेले, तुमची लिडरशीप घेवपाक आसतले आनी ते सीट तुमी एक युनायटेड ओपोजिशन झगडटले.
ना सी कितें आहा, पोंडा हेजेर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द डेट इज नॉट अनाउन्स्ड, बट I will, as leader of opposition, make an appeal. I make an appeal also to the other political parties within the state, within the opposition, that the fight has to be 1-to-1. 1-to-1, there is a fight, we stand a very good chance. And the Congress party itself today in Ponda is strong. We are capable of winning this seat. Whatever Bab Ravi Naik has done, no doubt he was a congressman first, and whatever he has done, but today if you look, hospital, roste, जावं सोरेज प्रॉब्लम हे सगळे जरी जर आमी चयल्यात थिंगा आनी डिस्पायट द पोंडा तालुका हॅव्हिंग 4 MLAs from there, still there are so many things that need to be done. We will definitely speak to the other political parties, and the Congress party will definitely contest. And definitely the plan is to win. We are not here to do just to play an election. We are here to win. And whatever needs to be done to win that election, we will do.
There
Okay,
were earlier
Jayant-
some allegations as far as illegal activities, or some of your party leaders are also involved, Congress members. What do you have to say?
What illegal activity?
Drugs and all. Okay, the other person.
What I am drugs and
There were some allegations, even the former MLA in Akadama in Kerala.
we cannot get.
Nilan म्हटलेलं Fadnavis.
No, see, definitely that whatever part I believe that is the party needs to take a call. I think तू किती ED केसी ED रेड मारला ते उलटा. So definitely I think the party has already taken a call on that particular matter. You will see it in days to come.
ओके पुंडा कॅन्डिडेट तुमचा फायनल झाला.
So candidate करपा वरी there is a party, there is a system. Whoever I think is interested, I think we definitely have Rajesh already there in the race. He's already shown his thing. But there are other people, whoever are interested, I believe. The thing is the cadre is ready. Let the election be announced. I believe the process has already started. People are meeting, all of us, as I speak to you. But the strategy, I will not put it out. But definitely we will win Ponda. 100% we will win Ponda.
काल तुमच्या अध्यक्षान हे घेतली प्रेस घेतली सो तो एका विशयाचेर उलयता म्हणजे काल आमी ताका विचारलेले सो फोंडाचे तेणी आमकां अजून कांय ठरवना म्हटलां आनी तुमी हांगा आयज सांगता की
चोय तो कोण कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो तेजेर उलयलो न्हू. सो आमी काम करपा बंद करपाचें. काम करपाक ऑलरेडी आहा न्हू कार्यकर्ता जाता थिंगा आतां तुगेले हॉस्पिटला इश्यू थिंगा सारके मेशिनरी ना, MRI मशीन ना, PET स्कॅन मशीन ना, कांयच सारकें ना. These issues get raised it is a continued process. Let me tell you, there is no differences. Please do not put it out. There is no differences. I said we are a democratic party. I might have a different view. Elton might have a different view. Kalus might have a different view. But finally, the consensus is once the party takes a call, we stick to that. Definitely, Ponda, you will see that the Congress party will win with large numbers. A lot of people want to join the party. A lot of people are currently there. So whatever needs to be done, our desk in charge is also coming in a couple of days. In the interest of the party, taking people into confidence, we will take a
Will
call.
it be alliance candidates?
Alliance candidate oppositions.
No. See, whether there will be a Congress candidate. So whether the other political parties support or not, that you will see.
But you are talking about Grand Alliance. So would you get all together?
तुम्ही म्हणले की 1 to 1 जाऊ जाय म्हणून
So this Ponda seat actually आमगेले काँग्रेसचा सीट कळना तुका. So it is our first aim to ask for that seat. आनी आमकां गेलते पाटी आमी उलयले ZP उलयले ड्युरिंग MP इलेक्शन सो विनेबिलिटी चोवपा जाय. येस डेफिनेटली केडर वी विल आस्क तेंगेले व्ह्यूज घेतले बट विनेबिलिटी चोवपा जाय. आज BJPचें कितें आहा BJP आसलें जाल्यार ते सगळे एकठांय जाता. आमकां along with our cadre we will see that winnability also and we will put our stake first because Congress तेंगे बाकीच्या कोणा वडे काय ना थिंगा. So Congress will stake claim for that seat.
There is also rumor about Ketan Bhatikar. तेजेर कितें आहा?
अरे कोण येतो ना म्हणून आता येईल मरे येईल जाल्यार कितें जावं पार्टी येत न्हू तो कोण येत खंय.
तुम्ही तुमच्या अलायन्स पार्टी वांगडा उलोवप करतले कितें तुमचे
100%. See, we want united to be united for the welfare of Goa. आमची स्वता काँग्रेस पार्टी लागून खंयची पार्टी लागून आमी गोंयकारां पासत एकठांय जावपाचो त्या गोंयची पासत हें अंडरस्टँड जावपाक गोंयकारांनी. सी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. वी आर नॉट सेइंग दॅट अदर ऑपोजिशन काम कोणाय म्हणून बट आमगे प्रिंसिपल ऑपोजिशन पार्टी काँग्रेस हॅज ऑलवेज स्टूड बाय गोवा अँड गोवन्स अँड वी विल ऑलवेज बी विथ गोवन्स गोंयची पासत कळना तुका. आमची स्वता काँग्रेस पार्टी पासत न्हू पार्टीन देशा पासत गोंयची पासत भरपूर बलिदान केलां. सो वी विल सी दॅट गोंयचे कितें बरें आहा तेका लोक मागतले बिस्तो कोणी येता आनी दिल्लीसून येता आनी सांगता आपण कॅन्डिडेट येतलो आमचे फार फुडा ते मरे लोक पिसना गोंयकार इलिटरेट न्हू
कोण
लोकां
तो
भरपूर खबर आहा कोण तो
कोण तो?
लास्ट टाइम
राव रे.
जाल्ले तेन्ना
कोण तो दिल्लीचो
हा दिल्लीसून कोण येता ते तुमकां
कोण?
प्रेस सगळे भाव आहलो मरे
आमकां खबर ना तुमकां खबर
प्रेस
आसा
खबर नाल्यार आमकां तुमकां खबर आहा
तुम्ही
आमकां
सांगता
कळटा
न्ही.
तुमचे फाटल्यान आमकां कळटा
तुम्ही जेन्ना दिल्लीचे उलयता तुमचे एलिगेशन जाता की तुमची पार्टी दिल्लीच्या कंट्रोलार
केन्नाय आसपाना हे गेले पयले आहलो कंट्रोल आहलो ते सगळे तिन्यान धाडे आमी हे कंट्रोल आहलो ते सगळे तिन्यान गेले वो धाडे आमी कंट्रोल म्हणल्यार गोंयकारांनी आमी पयलीं गोंयचे चिंतपाक जाय सी वी शूड अंडरस्टँड दॅट इट इज दिल्ली डेफिनेटली इट्स अ नॅशनल पार्टी बट वी शूड टेल द नॅशनल लिडर्स दॅट वॉट एवर वी आर थिंकिंग हॅज टू बी इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवन्स गोंयकार पयलें गोंय पयलें हे आमगे मुद्दो हे जालें पयलीं कितें मिस्टेक केलो सोडप गोंय हेजे मुखार तरी इवन प्रेस आमी सगळे गोंयकार आमी सगळे डिफरन्स दिसून गोंयचे आमी पयलीं चिंतताय सो गोंया वी हॅज टू बी ऑन द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी सो आमी सांगता तें आयकपाक जाय
अपकमिंग असेंब्लीत तुमचो ह्योच रोल रावतलो
होय
अपकमिंग असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाक
येस गोवा फर्स्ट
तेच्या पयलीं म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शन
युनिमम आता मुख्यमंत्र्यान प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेऊन सांगला सरकार तुमच्या दारी व परत 6 तारखेच्यान फोंडाच्यान सुरू जाता तांचो
हो सरकार तुमच्या दारी लोकांक कोणा बारी 12.5 कोटी रुपया म्हणून 12.5 करोड हे फक्त जुमलेबाजी जुमला हे लोकांक हांव अपील करता सारखे वचोन थिंगा जे पण इश्यू आहे हेल्था इश्यू आहे पोंडा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटला इश्यू आहे रस्त्या इश्यू आहे थिंगा अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो इश्यू आहा सो मुखेलमंत्री फक्त हे जुमलेबाजी करपाक थिंगा फाल्यां वयतलो लोकांक स्वतारके पानां पुसपाचो प्रयत्न कांयच केल्लो ना सरकारान 4 आमदार आशिल्ले पोंडाच्या डिस्ट्रिक्टान एकलो आमचो सर्गीस बाब रवी नायक ना तोच चोयता वयर कितें चलत काम आनी आज हे जे पण सरकार तुमच्या दारी पण जालो आहा आनी थिंगा चिंबे लोक आहा थिंगाय वसाय मरे सरकार तुमच्या दारी थिंग कितें वचना मुखेलमंत्री आनी हुंय प्रोटेस्ट आहा थिंग कितें वचना तेंगे घरा कितें वचना हिंगा कितें वयता सो दिस इज एन इलेक्शन गिमिक इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट सरकार पोस्ट फॅक्टो अप्रुवल कोट्यांनी रुपयाची लूट आनी अंडर दीस लूट दे आर बेसिकली कमिशन अंडर दिस कमिशन दे आर गोईंग दे युजिंग पब्लीक मनी and they are unable to resolve all these issues एसले हे अंत्योदया सर्वोदया हे सगळे लोकांक खबर आहा आनी हे सगळी फोटींग कोणा सांगपाक आनी म्हाका खात्री आहा की पोंडाचो लोक will change and make sure that this government is exposed will remain with us.
मांडवीक आता सगळ्याच्याकी व्हडलो कॅसिनो येता सो सीएमाक ताका अप्रुवल दिला हाजेर ऑपोजिशन म्हणून तुम्ही कितें
I already spoke. These are projects that are polluting the river Mandovi. River Mandovi today 50% of the is polluted. Tinga sogle padya waste sota. Sogle padya enka ingache they have no moral right. But Dr. Pramod Sawant loves them. Up to March 2027, he has given them an extension. The state government has given an extension. When I asked him in the assembly, after March will you throw it out? Aspalagalo. So we are very clear. This is not in the interest of the state. This is not what Goa. ये गोयंची परंपरा, ये गोयंचे दायज, ये गोयंचे culture. या आईन चालो मरे मुखेलमंत्री कडे. Is this what we want? And what is happening there? Are we creating Goa to be another Las Vegas, another Sin City? कितें दाखोवन दिता थिंगा नॅशनल कॅपिटल आयल म्हणटरी. So definitely. These type of issues, jenna Kadache landache conversion, Kada land was given to giving particular area 3 lakh square meter of command area today was denotified without taking the Kada, but we raised this issue as well. So why love for one particular person, a crony capitalist into corruption asa heje lagun ani we will stand, we will make sure that such type of things should not enter Goa.
So, Yuribab, as per the international maritime law and Indian maritime law, no sewage and oil supposed to be disposed in the water. So, are the casino this thing? They are not delivering to the coast the sewage, and so you will pressurize the
See,
Goa Pollution Control Board.
I have very clearly stated that the pollution is not, the pollution is left in the river. They leave it completely. ती मोठी इंजिन बीन चलता कोणा खबर पोके फार सर भितर सगळे बुराक काय आसता खुच्या बुरकांतल्यान कितें सुटाय काय कोणा हे म्हाका दिसता पयले सरकारान सारकें थिंगा लक्ष घालपाक जाय अरे सगळी सुवेज थिंगा मांडोवीन सुटाय in there was an issue of Karanzare that the fish had some harmful substance in it. And is this Goa's culture? So when we put this question, we got answers that the Pollution Control Board gives them a clean signal, gives them a green thing that everything is correct. So what on one side you have the Water Resources Minister saying that 50% of the rivers in Goa are polluted. So where are we heading and what is this for? Definitely these are issues that we will take up also in this. Every time we take it up and there's nothing new, we'll take it up again.
तर बाब एक असेल ते म्हणजे तुम्ही झेडपी टायमार म्हणलें की सगळी पार्टी एक जावं जाय कंटेस्ट करूं जाय पण तेन्ना तुमी इवन एग्रेसीव जाले बार ऑफिसान की बाबा सांताक्रूज सिटाचे तेन्ना तुमच्या पार्टीन आयकना आतां आयकता शिजतले
पार्टी आयकपाकूच जाय सी तेन्ना झेडपी इलेक्शन जालें आनी तेजो मागीर कितें परिणाम जालो तुमकां खबर आहा झेडपी टायमार त्या सिटाचो इट इज नॉट दॅट हांव मुगे कोण पार्टी फकत डिमोरलायज करपाक सोदना बट आज अशें आहा परिस्थिती अशी आहा बीजेपी सोदता की आम डिवायड जावची म्हूण आनी हे आतां भरपूर गोंयकार खबर बाईसांकूय लोकांक कळना झेडपीकूय इलेक्शनाक कळना आनी जेन्ना युती जाली तेन्ना सावथ गोवा कितें जालें तेंय कळना सो आतां तरी म्हाका दिसता पार्टीन वी हॅव टेकन अ सिरियस नोट आमगेलो LOP जेन्ना गेल्लो डेली ही हॅज ऑल्सो मेड इट व्हेरी क्लियर and our party high command also has made it very clear when we want to win Goa and protect Goa and Goans. It is very important to protect Goa and Goans. We have to be united. आम हुची कोणा पार्टी पर्सनली मोगान कोणाचे पार्टी नाही आम मोगान आहे गोंयचे आणि गोंयकारांच्या समज गोंय आनी गोंयकार सांबाळटले जाल्यार हे कोण सगळे कोण भायर स्टेटमेंट दिता ती एकठांय जावपा जाय आनी म्हणपा जाय बाबा आम गोंय सांबाळटले गोंयकारां सांबाळटले आम एकठांय जावपा जाय दिस इज माय
होल पार्टी एंड डिफरन्सीस तुम्ही म्हणटा ग्रँड ऑपोजिशन अलायन्स काल तुझ्या प्रेसिडेंटाक विचारता तो उलोवंकूच सोदिना तेचेर आपणे म्हणटा आन्सर दिला तू म्हणटा
आन्सर दिना
काल ऑपोजिशन ग्रँड अलायन्साचेर उलयले तेन्ना ताका विचारले बाबा तुझ्या LOP ग्रँड ऑपोजिशन अलायन्साचेर
कितें आसता
तो आन्सरूच दिना मरे
आम इलेक्ट जाले न्हू इलेक्ट जाले म्हणटा ते मातशें तकली डिफरंट जाता
तेची डिफरंट टोकली
मातशें मोठ दिसता इलेक्शन पयलीं जिखले मागीर तें पडटलें सारकें
सो तेणें इलेक्शन पयलीं
CLP लिडराचे आणि पार्टी लिडराचे थॉट्स मॅच जायना म्हणटा तुम्ही
बाबा सगळे ऑल इज वेल ऑल इज वेल काय भिता काय
सगळे प्रेसिडेंट सगळे लायटी जातले
I said about it in detail. It is the reason for that suicide. As they say, there was a suicide note. The person was going into depression. I think Dr. Kaluspa pointed out to a law. It is mandatory that, and the chief minister was assured him on the floor of the house that particular type of counseling and all these things relating to medical health will be taken. But the important point is, yes, the important point with BITS Pilani is that forensic reports are still pending for years. Previous deaths je pade hai, these forensic are still pending. Chief Minister gave us an assurance in the last assembly session that this would be looked into. And there were people with Swiggy and they were caught. But Magadista, the bigger fish is within the close proximity of BITS Pilani. There is a unit that supplies alcohol, and then it is believed that this is the hot spot for all these activities. So that I brought to the notice of the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister did not do. Hogar noted moda zero arata noted moda. Kai na mai det moda. Hogar to tech moda. So these are serious issues. He needs to tell the police. Police should not become the puppets of the government. It is their role to make sure law and order and this. We spoke to the South Goa Collectorate as well. If सगळे मेजर पॉट भितर घातलेले आहाय within the institute, but why are these people? See, you need to understand one thing is that it is difficult to for a common boy to get into with the fees that BITS Pilani about 15 lakhs, 18 lakhs. So you need to understand that pattern as well, the students' behavior. Why this is happening? Whether this is pressure, whether it is psychological disorder, whether it is family disorder, but the main point is drugs is readily available within the campus of BITS Pilani. This has been proved. Last time, a Swiggy courier fellow was caught in the answer given to us as a joint question. And Kalu's Bab question, the chief minister, he said, everything is in order. What happened now is an eye-opener. And the people of Goa and the entire country are watching.
युरिबाब म्हजो लास्ट क्वेश्चन आसा तेच कॅझिनोचेरच आसा हो कॅझिनो सगळ्यांत गोंयांत मोठो कॅझिनो तेन्ना आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक मायकल लोबो जो कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाचो मंत्री आशिल्लो तेन्ना ताजे कडेन एप्रुवल आयलो सरकारा कडेन आयलो ताणें शहर मारलो ते रिमार्क मारलो CM वील टेक डिसिजन आनी कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाचो सेक्रेटरी ताणेंय रिमार्क मारलो जो पर्यंत सरकार ह्या कॅझिनो बद्दल पॉलिसी हें करिना एमेंड करिना आनी हे हाडून तो पर्यंत आपले तेजेर कांय से दिवनाशिल्लो पेंडींग दवरलेलो रिमार्क मारलेलो हाजेर दोनाचेर ओवररूल करून आतां डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान CMन एप्रुवल दिला हो गोंयचो सगळ्यांत मोठो कॅझिनो येता ताजेर तुमी एज अ ऑपोजिशन किंवा काँग्रेस म्हणून आवाज उठयतले ड्रेजिंग चालू आसा
आमी ऑलरेडी आवाज उठयलो आसा आमी ऑलरेडी सांगलेले आसा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गेमिंग कमिशनर फुल टायम ह्या कसिनो जावपाक गेमिंग कमिशनर इज नॉट अपॉइंटेड देर इज चार्ज विथ द कमर्शियल टॅक्स ऑफिसर दुसरें हे सरकारान कितें जाता ओवररूल करीत आहाय तेंगेलो आतां टील मार्च 2027 तांकां एक्सटेंशन दिलें एक्सटेंशन दिवन आज जे जोरी जोर तुम चोयल्यार दीस बेसिकली नथिंग इज इन इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवा कोण होगोत चलत ते पैसा फेको तमाशा देखो हें गोंयकाराचें पडोन ना हें हाडलें आनी आनी ऑडी करीत आहले सो गोंयकारान हेंकां पयलीं सुवातेर हेंकां भायर मारूं जाय गोंयकारान जेन्ना आतां कॉर्पोरेशन इलेक्शन येतली त्या वेळार एक क्लियर कट मेसेज दिवपाक जाय की वी डू नॉट वॉन्ट दीस बॅड थिंग्स हॅपनिंग इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोंयकारान हेंकां बीजेपी सरकाराक इतली दादागिरी वाडलेली आसा few people have the courage to ask the chief minister few people are moving forward but I believe that it is the beginning of the end of this current dispensation of the BJP all their faulty policies all their U-turns are being exposed the Congress party definitely will work in whatever is needed in the state of Goa this is casino culture is not Goa's culture and this needs to go home
आता सीएमाक हाजेर प्रश्न विचारलो तेन्ना सीएमान आन्सर दिवना
कितक्यान नमस्कार
Thank you.